Hey, Paul here from the Western Experience. You know, we repair a lot of horse blankets. I'm in the back room in the repair area, and we'll launder your blanket, professionally clean it. We have a sanitizer that we put in to treat the blanket as it's being laundered as well. We repair your blanket. I've got an expert on board now. I want you to meet Rachel. She is a professional seamstress, way overqualified, but there's nobody that will do a more beautiful job of repairing your blanket. Of course, we can waterproof them. We've got an environmentally friendly waterproofer that we can put on your blankets, and they'll be wrapped up and ready to go out the door. So don't forget about the winter blankets. We're set up and we've got some good equipment, so we're ready to go. See us at either one of our locations in Rogers or Lakeville. That's Pleasant Hills, the Western Experience, or visit us online at phsaddle.com.